How to refer to relative paths of resources when working with the code repository. We are working with the code repository, which is deployed to both Windows and Linux, sometimes in different directories. How should one of the modules inside the project refer to one of the non-Python resources in the project, CSV files, etc.? If we do something like or, it will work only when the script is run from one specific directory, or a subset of the directories. What I would like to do is something like, is it possible?
Try to use a file name relative to the current file's path. Example for /my_file. In Python 3.4+ you can also use pathlib.
If you are using setup tools or distribute a setup.py install, then the right way to access these packaged resources seem to be using package_resources. In your case the example would be, which of course reads the resource, and the read binary data would be the value of my underscore data. If you just need the file name you could also use example. The advantage is that it's guaranteed to work even if it is an archive distribution like an egg. See this URL.
In Python, paths are relative to the current working directory, which in most cases is the directory from which you run your program. The current working directory is very likely not the same as the directory of your module file, so using a path relative to your current module file is always a bad choice. Using absolute paths should be the best solution.
I often use something similar to this. The variable holds the file name of the script you write that code in, so you can make paths relative to script, but still written with absolute paths. It works quite well for several reasons. Path is absolute, but still relative. The project can still be deployed in a relative container. But you need to watch for platform compatibility. Windows OS.pathsep is different than Unix.